this video, we're going to talk about algebra. What is it? What are some things you need to know about it? When will you ever use it? All sorts of things. Let's start with kind of a basic definition. So algebra is a type of math where we start representing things we don't know with letters and symbols. Now, some of the things you're going to learn in algebra would be things like writing and simplifying algebraic expressions, solving equations for an unknown value, factoring polynomials, plotting points and graphing functions, and exponential growth and properties of logarithms. Now, I know that looks like a lot, but here's the key thing you need to know about all of these things. You are really learning how to figure things out, how to problem solve. And these are things that you're going to use in the real world almost every day. Now, before we get too deep into this, I want to talk about some of the important terms you should know, because we're going to start by talking about what's called a constant. This is something you actually already know. This is a number that doesn't change. So things like 5, 42, -37, these are all constant numbers. On the other hand, we're going to be talking also about something called a variable. This is an unknown value represented by a letter or symbol. The letter we use most frequently is X, but we'll also use Y, Z, T, and many other things, really. But those are the most common ones. Then the last term I want to make sure you know before we get really into everything is an operation. Now, an operation is something you do to a constant or a variable. And some examples would be add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So these, again, are all things that you've seen before, but now we're just calling them new things. Now, I know you want to know, when will you ever use this? The great answer is you'll use it all the time. Some examples are when you need to know how many concrete pavers to purchase to complete your patio. Maybe you'll calculate the time it takes to travel a given distance, or find the break-even point for your business. You want to know when you will sell enough to have made your money back on your costs. Maybe you'll even find out the total price of your shopping trip after your discounts and the sales tax, and really so much more. Now, I hope you're getting excited about learning about algebra, because these videos are going to help you do that. So get ready for the journey.